Good morning, hunters. So let's get right to it. We got a new IPO, like Mr. Getem said, CWD. We'll see if we have a great hunt for this one. As everybody knows, IPO could actually have a huge pump and then a huge dump. So we have to wait to see a support for it. We got some stocks that bumped yesterday, like IMMP, almost 100%, then went down. Now is still holding the gain that we did yesterday, 64%. We'll see if we have continuation for today. When the market open, we'll see if we hold this current support and break this current resistance for a chance for another pump. We got MOBQ jumping 18%, testing the new resistance. IMGN, we discussed it yesterday, testing the resistance. AMD, okay, dropping down a bit. Nvidia dropping down but still up. Meta, we have a huge dump down. Tesla, yeah, so everything is kind of pumping in for a blue chip company. However, the SPY, man, the SPY is still consolidating. We got some question from our hunters regarding the SPY, and this is kind of not normal because we've been trending for so long here. Let me calculate how many time from the 400 until the 417. Whoa, we almost been trending sideways from the 400 until the 417, almost 2 months. 2 months of consolidation. Yeah, this is kind of really long. Let me just check here how long we've been trading sideways this time. Yeah, 25 days, usually 1 month. Not consolidation of 2 months, you know. Sorry guys, my voice is kind of lost because I have a bit of cold. I think the reason of that, I took a warm shower or hot shower in the gym and I went outside, because usually I take cold shower, and when I change the routine, because there's no cold shower in the gym, I got the cold, man. And my kind of throat is kind of a bit harsh. So yeah, that's why I prefer cold shower, man. Cold shower is the best. Xander, I don't have lemon and I don't have honey. But this is the excuse. I think I could try this one. Tastes really good. Tea and honey and lemon. APRN. Welcome everyone. Amjad, how are you doing, brother? Yeah, I saw TRK is down 18%. We didn't hold our support for TRKA. I saw that. Huge jump down for TRKA. Where's TRKA? GameStop still holding the gain. PACW still holding the gain. EVLV looking pretty nice. Bounce from this $5 support. Palantir still holding. And we kind of have a breakout. Yeah, we kind of have a breakout for Palantir from the $10.27. Looking interesting for a continuation. Wow, FRCB, man. FRCB still struggling to break. Still struggling to break. Keep my eyes watching FRCB. As we said before, we have to break this level. There. See it clearly. We have to break that level. WLGS. Wow, this one is pumping before the market open. Yeah, we held kind of a new support here. Yeah, it's going towards the $2.75. And this one have kind of struggle around the $2.32. We might have a breakout when the market open. I see you getting hammered in the pre-market. Yeah, we didn't break. You see what's happened here? We might have the same reaction for the other stock, FRCB, because it's been holding the support, then breaking the flag from below. MOBQ short pumping in pre-market. Yesterday 5% down, now 25% up. Yeah, we kind of have a breakout now. So both MOBQ then WLGS for the strong stocks that we have to watch. XELA still holding. You see what's happened for XELA, still holding, and IMGN still holding and is about to break. Yeah, MOBQ is pumping now. A really good pump. It's going toward the 1959, first profit taken, then the 21. Let's check our stock screener. Yeah, we are a bit far from the resistance, the $3. Yeah, this one mean business, guys. This one mean business. Went to the first profit taken, the 19 or even around the 20. We saw the 20. We'll see if we're gonna have a continuation toward the 21. Selling pressure started. The selling pressure started. Yeah, Palantir and EVLV have a new high, both of them looking interesting. And PACW, as we said, breaking new resistance and holding over the support. So all those three looking good. And we got other stock from you guys asking, which is REVB. Not good. Not ready yet. Yeah, CWD, as we discussed this one in new IBO, I think yesterday, we watching for a break from the $8.93 and holding this ascending channel if we don't want to have a sell-off. So watch out for this trade. And this is, should be our support if we broke this ascending channel over the $6.43. IPO was around the $4 and now is 8. So we doubled. We still holding the double profit that we did yesterday. Not bad. Okay, this one is not giving up. Going toward the 22. You see someone still selling around the 1959. As we said, this is profit taken and resistant. 1959. Good morning, Cam. How you doing, brother? Let's see a green day today. Wow, we have a bad PR for TRKA. Yeah, that's why the price went down now 18%. I think it's more. Yesterday 8% and now 16% down. Yeah, we didn't hold the support. You see what's happened here? Even if we don't know the news about the bad PR, we could actually have a signal that the price will have a flush once we broke the 22. And now testing the other support, the 1662. So this is the second support and this is the first support. Wow, what a huge pullback for this stock. Pre-market when open, we were almost 80% or around the 70%. Then now we pull back 23%. It's really risky business. ICU is still holding the last support. This is the second support and this is the first. Okay, XELA pumping. Wow, XELA bumping in pre-market 12%. For MO or BBYQ, we kind of consolidating because we have a huge pump here. Now we kind of consolidating. See this? We kind of have a flag down. But we just watch for the 2350 for another pump. If you want to have another pump, we have to clear the 2350. And let me update the level. This is should be the bottom around the 1010. Yes, the 1010 should be the bottom. 23 should be a breakout zone. GameStop play getting interesting now. The play of GameStop getting really interesting. Huge pullback for MOBQ. As we said, the 1959 is profit. That's why price pulling back. We might have a breakout when the market open because we're gonna have enough volume to break this level. WLGS, yeah, I know it's pumping. That's why it's on the second list. On the list is the second. We have a good reaction. We have a pump, reversal, pump, reversal, pump, reversal. This is a good trend, really good trend, bullish trend. When the market open, we need to hold this current support, the $1.89, to confirm a continuation for this trend, at least toward the $2.75. IMGN. Yeah, this one undecision. Still, we don't have hold up over our resistance. Wow, IMMP breaking from the $2.46 support. Huge seller. Huge seller. Good afternoon, John. Yeah, CWD, a new IPO. Whoa, 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 Jim. Exactly. CWD, man, is pumping. It's pumping over the resistance. We have the 9 now. Great reaction before the market open by 7 minutes. Yeah, by 7 minutes. Oh boy, oh boy. Let's see this 5-minute close green. We don't want to have a huge pullback because we got 1 minute for this green 5-minute candle to close above the $8.90. We don't want to have a pullback. Yeah, we might have the $10. Yeah, $10 test before another rejection. Remember, guys, this level has been tested yesterday after the IPO, and it's been tested twice in pre-market. Now we've been squeezing. Okay, 5-minute closed above. Great. Now we might have a continuation toward the $10. Is this a unicorn stock? Yeah, maybe. It's overextended. Not even overextended, but is a bit expensive, for my opinion. But as long as we hold over the $8.90 would be good for a continuation. Yeah, I think we're gonna have the $10. This one mean business. Okay, we don't have it yet because it's still new. Yeah, this one could actually run to the $10. HKD is accumulating still near the support. Thank you, Evil October, to remind everybody to hit the like button. Okay, we hit the $10.50 now. This one could be a unicorn stock, guys. This one could be a unicorn. Look at this. Perfect. As we said, we're gonna have a breakout from this level. CWD is jumping $11. This one could be a unicorn stock. 80% already. And we did from this jump 23% already. Great. Welcome everybody. Okay, we have 129 people watching, just 38. Let's hit the like button and watch this unicorn to go to the heavens. This one might go to the world, the $15 and the 20. As long as we hold the 9, man, here, this would be good to go. So let's hit the likes button, guys. 40, come on, let's see 50. Let's see 50, 60, 70. We got 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left for the opening bell. And excuse my voice is kind of a bit lost because I have some kind of cold. Usually never happened to me because I always take cold showers. The only day that I took hot shower, man. Good lesson. Really good lesson. But there's no excuse, man. When times to hunt, we have to hunt. Either we're sick, we don't have a voice. The most important thing is our eyes and our hands. If it's moving, we can actually hunt. But yeah, it's really hard to talk, you know. It's really hard to talk. Sometimes we take this kind of things for granted, you know, like our voice, our sight, our health. And when we lose one of them, we could actually see how much or how precious they are, you know, how precious they are. No amount of money can replace them, man. We're ready to discuss this. Like, if someone actually offer you like billions to take your eyes, all of you said no. Imagine billions. Health is wealth, exactly. Code in face. Good hunt, brother. Yes, patience, brother, patience. Good morning, good afternoon. Yeah, this one went around the 11. We might have a continuation. Yes, now it's going. The market is open, guys. Let's get right to it. MOBQ is going down because we hit the profit taken. WLGs. IMGN is pumping. IMGN, guys. IMGN. We might have an action for IMGN. Finally. Finally, we might have action for this stubborn stock. It's going up. Let me just check. WLGS. MOBQ, not good. We kind of sold off. IMGN. XELA going back. Whoa, CWD, man, is going toward the $15. Now is 11.37. I think we are halted. This one is down. ICU is down. This one is down. Okay, we have many stocks went down drastically. BBYQ is still holding. Okay, let's see. WLGS is pumping. WLGS. Whoa, WLGS. I think it's now it's kind of overextended. We need a pullback for this one. Yeah, we need a pullback. IMGN still have a struggle. We have this huge green candle, then the price gap down when the market opened. We'll give it time. You see what's happened here? A huge pullback for WLGS. Huge pullback. The market is doing the same reaction as yesterday. Huge pump, then dump in the first few minutes. Except for this one, CWD, because it's a fresh start or fresh stock. We have IBO yesterday, and the price is still squeezing. As we said before the market open, we might have a squeeze after we break the $8.90, and we had it here. Now sky's the limit. Sky is the limit for CWD. ICU is game over. You see what's happened here? We sold off. We sold off already 43%, but I don't trust it because we don't hold this current support. So I will leave it later, maybe in power hour, if we kind of broke this resistance around the $1.05, now below the $1. Yeah, WL, WATG. Okay, we got this one. We might have action to it because still holding. Yeah, it's halted. WLGS. Okay, kind of have a mini breakout here. Let me just check if we hold. Okay, let's open a small position for this one. Look a bit strong here. We're watching for the $2.75 as a profit taken. Yes. Still someone selling here. Yeah, we got this stock and the other one, CWD. The rest is kind of pulling back. Let's see this one going toward the $2.75. Support is still around the $1.89 that we should hold if we don't want to have sell-off or trigger like a weakness. Okay, someone's bought here though, huge wick here, so we don't want to go back below the $2. Let's see. Press the like button and the way in. Don't forget hunters. We always do live streaming around the 3 p.m. CET to hunt for the market. Remember that live streaming is a bit delayed. Just 10 seconds. CWD still holding around the 1137. This is a new IPO. Still squeezing. ICU got shorted. This one's still not ready. IMGN got shorted. And this one's still holding. Let me just check. AMD, nice, it's still pumping. Okay, semiconductors, guys. Semiconductors looking pretty nice. Semiconductors in bull run. Semiconductors looking really good. Nvidia, we got AMD, we got INTC or Intel. All of them are in green. Top gainers. So yeah, watch out, guys. Semiconductors is the hot topic now in stock market. We have a huge demand for semiconductors. That's why this year is the year for semiconductors. WLGS have a bit of pullback. We have to watch holding over the $2 to confirm a continuation. We have like a stairways here, up and down, up and down, up and down. We wait for the $2.75 profit. This should be the first profit taken or resistant before a huge pullback. We should go there. We should test the $2.75. Now it's $2.39. This one is still struggling. You see, we don't have a hold up. You see, the market opened and crashed below this resistance. Seemed to me always there's a big seller there, preventing the price to go higher. CWD still holding around the $11.37. Pull back time for WLGS. XELA, yeah, XELA still want to pump, guys. As long as we hold this level, we'll be in clear to pump once again for XELA. We'll see if we hold over the $6. Otherwise, we might have a flush. You just check how much we can do if we held here. Yes, 10%, and if we pump 21%. Interesting. IMGN still, MOBQ still, CWD. Yes, we unhalted around the $13, guys. Almost 13. 12.37. Yeah, it's going toward the $15. We have the 13 actually, the 12.98 to be exact. Huge bump. Watch out. Watch out, we're gonna have a huge pullback. We have to, because now it's overextended. This is normal. As long as we hold over the 9, we are unclear. Okay, we don't have to sell off. Now we are halted down. You see what's happened here? Triggered like profit taking. WLGS pulling back, of course. We need to hold over the $1.89 if we don't want to trigger a sell-off. Yeah, Palantir is still looking good. Palantir still looking good. Yeah, Palantir looking good, guys. Palantir looking good for a swing. Boom. Yes, we're gonna have a continuation. PACW as well looking good. we have a retest for the $5.64. Yeah, PACW looking interesting, and Palantir looking interesting as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, Palantir, we got PACW looking interesting as well. Let's open a small position for this one as well. Perfect. And now we have to watch for WLGS for a reversal. EV or ANVB halted. ANVB. Nope, it's not halted. 46%. Yeah, we're a bit far from the resistance. Yeah, we're a bit far. It's kind of... So if we actually went up, yeah, we need to test the tree. We need to test the tree, then the 4. Okay, we still have accumulation here. Still have accumulation sideways or up for WLGS. We need another pump of 27% before major shift. TRK is reversing from the bottom, 1666. Here the new resistance, and here the new profit taken. Yeah, we have a huge drop after bad BR. PACW still pumping, Palantir still pumping. So both of them looking juicy, guys. Palantir and PACW, both of them looking juicy. Yes, both of them looking juicy. We entered for PACW and we enter for Palantir. We'll see where we're gonna go. We'll watch for both of them because Both of them have nice support. We bounce from right now around the $5.64 for PACW. For Palantir is the $10.20. For Palantir, the profit taken is clear around the $11.50. For PACW, we have this level around the $7.11 and the $9. So let me just calculate for now how much we can make. 15% for PACW. For Palantir, we can make 7%. So it's not about me, it's about the stock. So the stock will tell me, I will give you 7%, I will say okay. And the other stock will tell me I will give you 17% or 15%, I will say okay. I don't say I want 50% from one stock. I can't do that. So the stock is the decider, who's decide what's gonna be, you know. As we said, the stock is like a woman. You have to know what the woman wants, you know. You can't tell the woman do this or do that, you know. She will actually look for another man. She will leave you. You have to be a gentleman and know what the woman wants and surprise her, you know. The same as the stock. You don't say, okay, I need 50%. Come on. You can't do that because you know that the stock have to... some stock actually jump 10% and 10% is too much. Like Apple is 10% is really too much. For some stocks, 10% is nothing. Like they can do 100%. Gem. I don't know, like everybody free to do whatever they want, like about the rocket ship or whatever. Everybody knows now, if you want to buy any stock, you could, you know that doing rocket ship doesn't change anything because we are hunters, you know. Even someone bought rocket ship near a stock, we have to see if the technical supports or not, if the stock actually will rocket or not. We don't judge anything until we see it. Luis, CWD will be a winner. Depends if we held the current support. Palantir, PACW, and this one is pulling back big time. Yeah, it's pulling back. Yeah, it's pulling back now. I will watch this level because if we broke it, will be not good. $1.89. As long as we hold this level, we're gonna have a reversal. Yeah, XELA is still holding. OBQ, nope. This one, nope. CWD maybe would be really good. We'll put it down. ENVB, whoa. We kind of reversed pretty nice. I will put it down. So ENVB looking good for the $3 test. Yeah, this one looking good for the $3 test. Okay, AMD is still pumping. Okay, we might have a pullback for the market. We have some red coming up. Market is turning. Yeah, market is turning a bit red now. See what's happened? We have almost a test around the 245. The SPY getting near the resistance. Yeah, we have turning point, guys, coming up. CWD, whoa, we got unhalted. Price is getting near this support. We have to hold, guys, the $9. This is critical. BBYQ is preparing for something. We see that someone sell BBYQ started to sell, but someone is still buying because we don't have huge selling pressure. Wow, Palantir is still pumping. Alert, Palantir is still pumping. Yeah, this one is almost over. Let me just check. WLGS, we might have a flush if we broke the $1.89. We have 1, 2, 3, 5 minute candle red. Huge red, yeah. Yeah, we'll see if we have a reversal now over the $1.89. This should be a top gainer for today if we held. If we held, this is the idea. But this is normal because we've been pumping in pre-market almost 82%. We have to have a reversal, so this is normal. Profit taken $3. ANVB $3 should be profit taken. Watch out. Let's check the top gainer and volume wise. We have Palantir, we have WLGS, Tesla of course, Baba down 4%. We already hit the profit taken. Let me just update our levels. And the other one is around the 94, almost the 94. Then we got this one and that one. Whoa, huge selling pressure for this one as well. PACW pulling back a bit. AMD still pushing. Man, this one. Yeah, still pushing up. NVIDIA. Okay. ANVB is still number one. Then CWD. See what's happened? We have accumulation over the $9, so this is good. Wow, GSIT, finally we kind of reversed. Yeah, CW, this is it. We need to hold over the 9 if we don't want to trigger a huge selling pressure. Let me just show you what I mean by holding. This area should be a reversal zone, otherwise we're going to have a huge selling pressure. around this area, okay, this circle. So let me just show you exactly what I mean, because I'm a visual person. I hope you are too. This will make your life easier in technical analysis. This circle should be a reversal zone over, let's say, the $8.30. Okay, we need to have this in order to have that, a reversal, and continue to go higher toward the $15. Boom. So this is really critical area to hold. Otherwise, we're gonna go toward the $6.43. The same for that one. We have the $1.89 to hold. Otherwise, we're gonna have this reaction going toward the $1.64 before we're gonna have genuine prime pressure. So here we need a reversal over this level to have that. Not interesting. SGE. Let me just check this one. Not interesting. GFAI. Let me just check this one. Not interesting as well. GFAI would be interesting play after we break this level around the $5.69. Otherwise, no volume, no action. We need action, guys. We need action. So GFAI maybe is preparing for something. So I'll put it higher here. CWD. Whoa. It's getting inside my circle. Oh, brother. This is really tight. A lot of people took their profit. That's why we triggered selling pressure, you see? So this is normal. This is normal. I think we're halted now. ENVB getting shorted as well. Whoa, XELA is still struggling, still holding, still fighting over the $6.70. Let me just go back and check Palantir, still holding. PACW still holding. Okay, not bad. CXAI. Yeah, huge sell-off for ICU. Yeah, I can't see this stock anymore. It's called ICU, but it doesn't see anything now. We don't see any reversal. It should called I don't see you. Yeah, now we should call it I don't see you, because it doesn't look interesting now. Whoa, this one is going down. No reversal. Really, we need a reversal here. Otherwise, boom, flush down toward the $1.64. So yeah, this one short is controlling this one. Yes, sir. Okay. Let me just take this support. we're gonna have a free dive now toward the $1.65. IMPP or IMMP. I always make this mistake about the ticker symbol. We got other stock, energy stock, it's called IMPP, not IMMP. So this one dipped from the support, so I'll put another support around the $2.09. Resistance is still around the $2.87. Whoa, AMD is still pumping. Yeah, semiconductors looking good. All of them 2%. It's like someone buying all the semiconductors at the same time. Yeah, we have a bit of pullback. This one is still halted. Okay, we are unhalted for CWD. It's testing our level of support. Whoa, after the unhalting, we got unhalted down twice and we never have a buying pressure. Not good indication. GFAI squeezing. Yes, GFAI is kind of squeezing. Yeah, 15% now. Okay, GFAI is a risky trade actually, but we could actually open a small position because it already jumped. Let's see. Okay, we have the $5.69 breakout. Profit taken should be almost around the $6.58 if we pumped. Let me just check how much we can do from here. 12%. and the squeeze actually will happen around the $8.75. Yeah, $8.75 is the real squeeze. Light volume though, light volume. Okay, we have a pullback. Okay, it's struggling here. Because the volume is a bit light, of course. Already did 13%. What's going on with this one? It's entered our last bottom support. If we don't hold here, it's game over, at least for today. If we don't have a reversal now, it's kind of tricky. Look at this. Let me just take the circle. Yeah, it looked really tricky. Huge pullback, huge. This is not normal. This is short attack. Yeah, 37% down. That's why it's wise to take profit. And this one, yes, is pulling back from the resistance. Not healthy pump. Yeah, not healthy pump. Let me just put a support. If we want continue to go higher, we need to hold here. Yeah, there. Let me just show you. If we want to confirm the squeeze, we need to hold there around the $5.30. Otherwise, it's a flush. WLGS, huge selling pressure. Last bottom for today is the $1.65 if we want to have a reversal. CWD, the last support. Otherwise, tomorrow we're gonna have reversal or power hour if we go toward the $6.43. This should be the last bottom. The current support is just now over this ascending channel to have a reversal. ENVB, okay, this one mean business. See what's happened? We have selling pressure, buying pressure. Now it's going toward the $3.17. XELA, breaking, guys. XELA not good. We broke the support, the $6.60. Not good. This is first sign of weakness for XELA. First sign of weakness. Boom. We might have a test toward the 5 later on. Okay, Palantir doing all right. Almost 7% now. GFAI is pumping, guys. GFAI. Let's see the $6.58. We have support, as we said, over the $5.30. Profit taking $6.58. Guys, don't forget to plus the like button. Come on, we can do better. We have almost 119 people watching and just 70 likes. This is crazy. What's going on? This means some people just watching and don't like or don't comment or don't do anything. Just do anything, brother. I know some people are shy. Maybe the other people who don't like, maybe they are girls, you know, and they don't know how to likes and they don't know YouTube how it works. It's really simple. Just there's like this and you just press on it. It's really simple, brothers or sisters, whatever. And it's really good because it helps our live streaming to be shown to other hunters and other traders. That's why we're here. We share knowledge. Sharing is caring, brother. Sharing is caring. So this is kind of the least you can do. Just plus the like button, brother. So now it's 81. We're getting close, actually. We're getting close to 123 viewers. It's still not normal because if you watch, it means you could actually like. And we have 123 people watching and just 81 likes. Come on. Thank you in advance, actually. Thank you in advance. And remember that we always do our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET each day. We hunt. Even though my throat is a bit sore, but there's no excuse, brother. There is no excuse. If there's time to hunt, market is open, we are here. Sick or not sick, we have to be here for you guys. 85 likes. Thank you, guys. We're getting near the 100 likes. GFAI. We're watching GFAI. This giant was sleeping. This giant stock was sleeping for days. Look at this. Accumulating. We need to fill this huge gap. If we want to squeeze, we need to hold over the $5.30 and going toward the $6.58 before first rejection. Then we're gonna have a continuation. If there's a huge buyer, of course. Okay, we have a huge wick for this one. CWD. Not. Let me just check. It's still holding, kind of. Yeah, still holding. So the strongest stock for today is ENVB, top gainer. 81, 84, 85, 96. Yeah, this one is squeezing. This one is squeezing, actually. Yeah, this one I like. Is mean business going toward the $3.17. You know, for this one we could hunt when we have another pullback, like what happened here. When we hit a bit of resistance, we pull back here, so it's good entry. Now it's overextended. I'm watching for a pullback around the $3.17. Then we enter once again. We'll see. Let's have a pullback around the $3.17. Now is almost 100%. Okay, GFAI, preparing for another pump. You're a bit late, Farida, today. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. Still, we hunting for the 80, 100 likes. Don't forget to press the like button and the way in, Farida. This is really important. Okay, we're still watching for GFAI. Still watching for GFAI. If you just came in, Farida, we already talked about GFAI. The price has been squeezing because we broke the $5.70 and we said that $5.30 is our support. The first profit taken is the $6.58. We discussed WLGS. We said the support should have a reversal from is this $1.65. ENVP, the strongest stock for today and the top gainer, is getting near the profit taken, the $3.17. CWD is bouncing finally from our bottom. As we said, this should be the bottom, and this one have IPO yesterday. See with me around the 8, we went from the 4 until the 8, and we were waiting for this one for a pump, and we saw the pump when the market opened here, exactly before the market opened. Actually, we have the squeeze, then we squeezed some more and the price got rejected, now holding over last support for us. The bottom, of course, is around the $6.43, but the support should be now over this level, the $8. Okay, now we have some reaction, reversal time. Jem, come on, Jem. We give almost 100%. So it's kind of unicorn in some way. But yeah, unicorn stock should be like 500% or at least 300%. Yeah, so I get you. Luis, you remind me of samurai, man. Samurai warriors. When they go to the war zone, they don't have the mentality of stepping back or surrender, you know? They go all in. The confidence they have. We don't have this kind of warriors anymore, man. It's kind of rare. It's kind of really rare. But you know what? Sometimes it's good to give up. Not like sometimes when you fight for something, sometimes the universe tell you to give up, to find another road, to find another solution. So have the samurai mentality, and fighting is not good sometimes. You have to be flexible. You have to like say to yourself, is that it? Is this the only solution, or is this the only thing that I want? So sometimes failure or like you can actually get something is good for you. So yeah, it's not like always like go for it. Everything's possible. Don't go back. No. Sometimes you have to surrender, you know. Great question. GFAI is still consolidating. We got many people asking about this stock, what it's doing. Let me just check. It's kind of, it provides investment advisory service for real estate. So it's about giving advice for real estate, a service or a service, kind of a way of giving advice about real estates for management and commercial and residential brokers. Company was founded, I don't know when, Christopher. So it's when it was founded in 2009. Okay. So the specialty is real estate. Interesting. Equity raised almost 500 million, almost 3 billion in assets. That's why they pumped, they have luxurious fundamental. A lot of people like real estate, so they have some kind of glittery thing going on when some people go to their website. So a lot of people think about the future. That's why we have inflated price, inflated price until the almost $13. So I will be extremely careful because IPO stocks always like this is pump and get inflated price action, then go below even the IPO price. So the IPO price was around the $4. We might go below the $4. So what we have to watch out for, that holding a new support or holding a new levels to have a reversal from. Because if we don't hold, as we said, over the 640, we might have a flush and going below the $4. And this might happen today or even tomorrow because this stock is unrealistic. We have a huge price action here. We already have our squeeze. Someone sold here big time because this is not normal that we have the price halted down and continue to go down. We don't have major reversal now. So this is it. We need to hold now over the 8 because if we broke the 8 is kind of really risky. Let me just bring my level to show you exactly where we're gonna have a flush. Yeah, around the $7.70. So we need to hold this level if we don't want to have a flush down. A really critical level, guys, here. Yeah, around the $7.74 to be exact. So no closing candle below this level, otherwise we're gonna have another flush down, and this time we might have another 15% or 16% down, at least the $6.43. Now it's still holding. See, there's fighting, but I'm not convinced yet. We should have at least a reversal until the $8.90. And for the people who already entered, I suggest to take profit around $8.80 just in case, because here we might get rejected once again. So watch out. Now we should have a reversal. And GFAI have a struggle. Yeah, this is normal. Because we've been coding for some times and short is still controlling this stock. Yeah, this stock mean business. We hit the first profit taken. We don't have a huge pullback and still continue to go higher, 110%. Okay, this might be the unicorn stock that we're waiting for. ENVB might be the unicorn stock. We don't have a major pullback yet. Yes, I will see if we have pullback here. So as long as we hold the $2.69, we're gonna have a continuation. Now let me just check. Yeah, 12%. Now we have a bit of pullback because this is the profit taken, the $3.17. See what's happened? Yeah. Exactly, code and face. So the idea is to, if you don't want to be drawback with 40%, you do just trailing stop, so you protect your profit. So if you're up 20%, you make like trailing stop on critical levels that protect profit at the same time protects from major loss like 40%. So it's not like getting in and just holding until 40% down. No. You have to do trailing stop. If the price go up 50%, you have to take profit and wait, and just like watching the price going up and watching the price going down and doing nothing. Yeah, CWD broke the $7.74. Yeah, going down, guys. This is not normal actually. Like dropping like this is not normal. And we don't have any reaction when we test the $7.74. We don't have major reversal. So we watch for the support that we should have a really major reversal is the $6.40. If we don't, this means a flush down toward the 4. For XELA, for a lot of you asking what's going on with XELA, so we have the first signal of weakness here when we dropped from this ascending channel. So I'm watching for a continuation down at least around the $5.70 this time. Yeah, $5.70 should be a support. Okay, Palantir is getting near profit taken, and PECW. Okay, so let me just go, not GFAI, but Palantir, yeah, Palantir is getting near profit taking. Let me just close this trade because we're getting near the $11.53. Let me just check. Boom. Yeah, we almost 6% on this one. Like Code and Face said, we have to close our trade before we lose our profit. It's not good to be greedy. So yeah, for Palantir we already did great pump, almost 10%. We might have a pullback at any time soon. So we're gonna close our trade here just in case with 6%. Boom. So we close Palantir trade. And let me just check PACW. Okay, I will keep this one because we might have the 7. We're missing how much here? Another 12%. And if we go here, PACW, yeah, now it's 5%. We're already up 5%. So I'll keep it. I will keep it because we're still holding the support. And for GFAI, yeah, GFAI is preparing for something. We'll keep this trade open because we just open with the small position. When we have a huge upside momentum at the same time risky trade, we open small position, you know. For me, open like small position depending on you, you know, it's not dependent on me. Everybody have different position size, you know. So 2000, 1000 is good. It's really small, and some people say it's too much. You just open like 100, whatever you feel like it, you know. For high risk, high reward trade, don't put like say 100,000, 50,000, because it will be really risky. Because when the price draw back on you 10% on 50,000, so much, you know. So be strategic. Know when you put your money all in on some stocks, and some stock you just put 1% of your portfolio or even less. Because 1%, let's say from 100,000 is, let's say 1,000, and 1,000 if the price went up for the stock 50%, you make 500 for the day. Is good. So you have to calculate, yeah. INVB, guys, is the unicorn stock for today. Yes, this one is unicorn stock. Yeah, still pumping, 27%. First profit taking hit, second profit taking is almost hit. Yeah, huge pullback. So Code and Face take his 7% and the price crash. I think 7% from Code and Face, he have I think 1 billion. He drew all the liquidity. I think Code and Face, he's the whale here. We have to watch out for Code and Face. Once he sold his 7%, the price actually crashed. This is a smart boy, man. This is a smart boy. He said it. When someone say 7% or 10% is okay and out to the day, it means he have 1 billion, you know. 7% for 1 billion is good money. I got you, brother. I got you. Okay, ENVP 33 million, 150% up, and almost $4. We had the $4 actually. We had the $4, and the price kind of have a bit of drawback. So the first profit taken hit $3.17. The second profit taken almost hit around the $4. $4. But we didn't hit the $4.21 because Code and Face sell his position. As we said, he have 1 billion and he sold 7% from this stock. Yes, we'll see. We'll see if we're gonna have a test for the $4.20 before huge rejection. I think there's someone still buying around this level. This is really crazy. There's someone still buying. Now it's almost 100. Okay, we'll see if we're gonna go toward the $5, because this might be a unicorn stock. So if you never traded before, unicorn stock, those stock actually pump without any selling pressure, almost 500% or 400%. We already got those stocks. We already got those stocks before. And the best way to trade those stocks is never get out completely, because it's really hard. When you want to buy here, it's really risky, you know. Your entry would be really bad, and when the price would draw back, I knew you're gonna lose money. So the idea here is trailing stop. If you want to maximize your gain for those stocks, you don't have to exit. So as we said before, if we held the $2.67, it means we're gonna have a continuation. So you don't have to exit. If you already entered below this support, the $2.69, you do train stop. What does it mean? You don't sell. The price draw back here around the $2.86, you don't sell. Price go up here and go back here, don't sell. You hold, okay? And you just put your stop around the $3.17. Of course, you might lose this profit around this margin, but the upside is unlimited. If the price could go toward the 5, you'd be more in gain, and you just put your stop around the $4.20. And if you're lucky, the price never actually go back and hunt you down and get you out from the trade. But sometimes you get some luck, and the price actually can continue to go higher, and you maximize your gain, let's say 200% instead of just 7%, you know. So if you do this for any stock you trade, you could actually cut one unicorn stock can make your whole year. But if you just take your 7% and exit 7%, your exit, one stock can actually wipe all the profit that you made for 1 month, you know. So the idea is to be strategic. Don't yes, take profit, but train stop is better. But it's really hard to put the stop at the right time, at the right place. It need time, okay? It need time and practice. Because if you got this skill, man, you'll be best trader actually. Because the most important thing is the few things that any trader, good trader have is when to enter and when to exit, or when to put your stop loss or adjust your stop loss to do a train stop. So yeah, this is the two things. If you master, you're gonna be a really, really good trader. Again, guys, we missing 8 people. We missing 8 people for the 100 likes. Where's the 8 people? We're looking for 8 people, man. This is strange. There's 8 people just come on our live streaming and didn't like the video. Oh man, Jim, call your brother or your sister. Just tell her to like our live streaming. We're missing now 7 people. We're missing 7 people to have 100 likes. 7 people, 5 people. Okay, countdown now. Countdown for 100 likes. The countdown, 100 likes. Okay, 3 people. Okay, 3 people. Yes, I think we're gonna have one. Okay, 99. Interesting. We're missing just one guy or one girl. Who's the lucky person who gonna be the best hunter to hit the 100? Interesting. Okay, if you are the 100 person who likes the live streaming, please chat. Okay, you have to put your name in the chat and say that you are the 100 person who likes. It's really hard to know yourself. Yeah. Okay, now he's pulling back. The unicorn is pulling back down. Okay, WLGS is pulling back as well. As we said, 1.65 should be the support. Okay, CWD, we have a pullback testing from below. I don't suggest to enter now. We have confirmed resistance around the 9, almost the 9, and the support should be around the $6.40. Oh man, my throat, I'm telling you, it's really hard to talk. It's getting harder. Randy, what's the stock will go up tomorrow? We got few here. We got PACW looking great. Palantir as well looking good. GameStop I think looking good as well. Yeah, it's about to break this level of resistance, so it's looking good. Yeah, GameStop looking good actually. We got CVNA. Yeah, maybe CVNA would be good as well. Not bad. In the big picture, not bad. We got mini semiconductors doing all right as well. So yeah, we got a few stocks doing all right for this week and maybe even next week. And GFAI, yes, finally pumped. But this is not the right pump. It's still missing a lot of gain. This one I'm watching for a pullback for re-entry. Huge pullback around the 4. Yes, I think we triggered a sell-off here around the 4. We'll see if we don't hold the $3.17, the $2.67 or 69 should be a reversal here. This area should be a reversal zone. If we want to continue to go higher, and FNVBB or ENVB is a unicorn stock, we have to hold over the $2.70. Okay, we put them back from the $3.17 even. This is good. Okay, there's the number's not good because you said 1K, but 1K, 7% of 1K is $70, not 700 a day. So you mean you get in with 10,000, not 1,000. Yeah, you have your 7% here again. We have another 7% or 700 if you have 10,000. So yeah, 10,000 you can actually play with. Not even 7%, but even 5% would be good. Yeah, XELA is warming up. Yeah, we kind of held with the wick over this channel. Okay, we'll watch XELA. If we broke this level, we could have a trade here around the $7.42. Yeah, we'll see XELA if we broke the $7.42. Yeah, GFAI need time and space. It's like a bad girlfriend. She's not stable mentally. So this one, yeah, this stock is huge pullback. But as we said, the $5.23 should be the support. So we have to take time for this one. And next time if we pumped, we should test the $6.58. The squeeze, the real squeeze for GFAI, guys, is the $8.75. So if the next days we test this level, let me know, okay? Just put it in the chat section, let me know to check it out for you guys. The $8.75 should be the mega squeeze. Here is still not the good squeeze that we're wishing for. As long as we hold the $5.23, we're gonna have a reversal. Otherwise, I don't like the sound of that. We might have a huge pullback towards this bottom, $4.62. So the first support that we should hold for today is the $5.23 if we don't want to have this pump going to dump and going to a huge selling pressure. Okay, XELA is about to break the $7.42. Okay, let's see if we break. We'll take a trade here. We'll see, because it's still holding. Come on, Palantir is really good play. Who's the the crazy guy who sold Palantir? It was holding a great support. Yeah, Palantir is looking good. As we said, guys, the last few days, we said Palantir looking pretty nice because we held over this support, the $7.90, and the other support over the $9.63. And today we opened another position here around the 10 and we took profit here on the $11.50. So Palantir looking good, still looking good. And PACW is still looking good as well. Now we watching for XELA. Now we watching for XELA break. Okay, XELA looking good. Okay, XELA looking good. Let's check XELA out. Whoa, XELA is pumping. Okay, let me just open a small position for XELA. See if we gonna pump for this pullback. Okay, the support should be over the $6.58. First support here should be the first support. Breakout zone $8.86. Profit taking $11.44 if we squeeze for today. Yeah, we might do 48%. Let's go. Okay, so this one we have to go now toward the $2.70 if we want to do something. XELA, come on, XELA want to test the $8.80. Patience, patience. Okay, we have a pullback, huge pullback. Okay, not good anymore. Yeah, huge seller here. Okay, I think we halted for XELA. So the game plan for XELA, as soon as we get unhalted, we have to watch out for one support around the $6.55. One resistance is around the $8.86. Any price in between is still, we're not clear in pump or dump, okay? So in this area between the $8.86 and the $6.65 undecision phase, we need to break the $8.66 in order to have a pump like what we have here. Huge pump there. After we broke the resistance around the $3.15, again another pump will happen after we clear the $8.86. So now watch out, okay? After the unhalting, if we have a flush and continuation down, first support we're gonna have a reverse from is the $5.70. If we don't hold, continuation down toward this box. Should be the major reversal for today and tomorrow market, Friday. Last support for XELA. If we're gonna have a continuation for this pump, watch out. Yeah, XELA need patience, guys, because if we go in a smaller picture is kind of terrifying with this kind of 1 minute candle, but if we go in a big picture we see that we have a preparation. The price is accumulating up in this huge flag. So the first signal for weakness, as we said, if we broke this ascending channel, yeah, will be the first signal for weakness. And we're not gonna have power hour for today. Will be a bit hard because the price will continue to go down, test the $5.70 and down around this box. So we need to have really good patience here, because if the price went around this box, we're gonna have a consolidation again before a reversal. If we held, hallelujah, we're gonna have a reversal and a squeeze now, or even in power hour around the $8.86 or around the $9. Yeah, NVB still holding. So as we said, NV or ENVB, we have the support around the $2.69. We're gonna update you guys about this on our Discord and here on the day trade and swing trade and in our Patreon as well after our live stream, because we always do short analysis update here on our Patreon. And if you're not a member, you can actually join us. The first level is already sold out because it's just open for the few months when we open our Patreon. So this is a gratitude and thanks for all the support that we got from the early hunter. That's why it's called early hunter. You got the second level is already opened, and you can request one stock each day before the market open. And then you got the king and the elite hunter. So this one or those two levels, if you really want to take your trading to the next level, because you got one-on-one meeting with me, and we can actually schedule the meeting whatever day you like, usually on Sunday because that's where I'm free, and we can discuss your portfolio, your trading, and we discuss live alerts like how to spot the support and resistance, everything. So yeah, you have everything here, and you can join us if you like. And at the same time, let me just check XELA very quick. Still halted? No, unhalted now, I think. Yeah, unhalted. Yeah, unhalted. So XELA is unhalted over the $6.55, so it's good. We're still holding. Anyway, so here my email if you have a question about how to join and how everything going. trading.gz.contact@gmail.com. Perfect. So send me an email if you have a question about how everything works on Discord and Patreon. So XELA holding. Huge seller, man. Huge seller, hidden seller around the $7.80. We need to have a pushback now. Still holding $6.55. GFAI still holding. WLGS huge dump down. This one still holding. CWD not good now. Okay, so now the market on the downside, guys. A huge whale just left the market. That's why we lost some momentum. Yeah, we lost some momentum for the market. Yeah, CWD power hour. We're gonna get power hour for CWD only if we held over the $6.40. Otherwise, no power hour. Just watch out. For XELA as well, we're gonna have power hour as long as we hold now or never over the $6.55. If we held, we're gonna have power hour, 2 power hour, or whatever. We're gonna have a nice Friday for XELA. Okay, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming. As we said, we're gonna do updates for a lot of stocks, and we're gonna do a video update, of course, around 8 p.m. CET, and tomorrow power hour as live streaming around 3 p.m. and of course power hour on our Patreon. Watch out, tomorrow we're gonna have a power hour here on our Patreon, especially on Patreon, before the market close, to discuss all the stock that we have to watch and buy for swing trade, day trade, before the market close for the next week. Thank you, Bad Monster. Really appreciate it. Marco Bonte. Thank you, brother. You're the one who rock. L.F. Williams. Whenever you're ready, Williams, whenever you're ready to join our Hunter channel, we are there for you, brother. Hussein Noorani, welcome, brother. Yes, I need just time, man. Time will heal everything. That's why I never take drugs or medicine. I always let everything goes by itself, you know, naturally. I don't take drugs to fix my throat. No, no, I don't believe in that. I believe that everything will goes with time. That's what my dad told me. Sometimes, yeah, you need to go to the doctors, but I make my body used to fix itself. If something gets worse, of course I go to the doctor. So yes, Jim, we have to be quick. So when we spot volume drop, we have to stop trading because this is how you lose more money. Okay, guys, gotta go. Thank you for watching. See you in the next live streaming. Wow, John, this is the recipe from my mother. She always told me that. Yeah, I forget to do that. But the problem, I don't have whole salt or sugar in my kitchen. This is banned. I don't put salt or even sugar. I don't use them. It's called the white poison. You have sugar, salt, and white flour. The three poison. Greetings, everybody. See you in the next live streaming. Really appreciate everybody been here and liked our live streaming. Don't forget, our live streaming will be uploaded automatically on our YouTube channel, and you can share our live streaming. This will be even great. Thank you, brothers.